So how does Magic? What do you mean you send him an invoice for what?
Actually, Magic was my manager at one point. You didn't know that?
What do you mean? Manage what, Miss?
Before I left music, Magic was my manager.
What year, Miss?
That was 1999.
I want to know what year he was coaching the Lakers and GI, that type of shit. So he was coaching all that type of shit. He came back to manage you. All right, bro. What is the invoice for? What's the invoice for?
I can't tell.
Here we go. Here we go. You know,
but I'm happy to hear this, dude.
You've been up for a minute. You know what I would say about this is I'm not even going to question you on that. After today, I'm going to say you're definitely right to prove it wrong on a lot of different things. But I will say this though, I got to know how billionaire works though, man.
Yeah.
You know, because Kanye was a billionaire, lost his deal, and he had 500 million. Do you got a billion in the bank? Or do you? To me, if you don't have a billion in your bank account, you're not a billionaire.
Yeah.
If a nigga can say this contract is up, you're not a billionaire. I don't want to hear what a nigga worth.
Yeah, if he can drop his portfolio, and with all accounts, it says $1 billion.
Yeah, Cash App.
Yeah.
The Chase, Wells Fargo, Switzerland.
Not property, because you might not get that money for that property.
I'm talking about in your bank, do you have $1 billion? Because, you know, and I'm not counting nobody's pocket. These people, business becomes
They're gonna
public.
say you hate.
I don't care. I'm just telling you what it says. Oh, he has $300 million in art. And another 200,000 in cars.
Not if I pay 100 for that art.
Right. The point is it in the bank, yo?
Yeah.
That's what I'm asking. I'm not hating on niggas' art collection, the car collection, anything like that. Do you have $1 billion in the bank? And that's what I'm asking all the billionaires. You know, not just Magic. Because Kanye was worth $1.7 billion. Lost his Adidas deal, and they talk about he may be homeless tomorrow because he got bills and shit because he only have 400.
A real billionaire has $1 billion in the bank. If you don't have $1 billion in the bank,
so
you're
how
not
is
a billionaire.
Kanye a billionaire? Lost his deal and he wasn't. That's one of your sons, you said.
Yeah.
So that's what you say. So let me ask his father, how did this happen? How is he a billionaire and lose a deal and then have less than $500 million?
See, a billionaire in publications is different than a billionaire in the bank. And I think a lot of times where people are doing is just marketing themselves as a billionaire.
So you're saying magic capping in professional terms?
No, I'm not saying magic capping. I'm saying if a person